First, in the editing interface of our graphic. On the left is the menu bar, which contains some basic graphic controls. The graphic controls we are showing this time are System Variable Control, Image Control, Selection Box Control, Menu Control, and Read Data Table Control. The first System Variable Control. Click on our control on the left and draw it on the graphic. You can check the time and date, current user, current project, and other information. You can drag the selection box. Resize it. Save and publish incrementally. Click to open monitoring. Log in with our administrator permission. Select the graphic you just edited. This is a state that displays information such as date, time, current user, current project, etc. The second is the image control. Select Image Controls from the left Controls menu. Drag to resize. Drag to the graphic and customize the size. Select our image. You can also add GIF dynamic images. Click the control again. Drag it to the graphic screen. Double-click the control. Select the image address in the control. Click Apply. You can adjust the background color of the GIF to match the background color of the graphic. Click Save. Select Online Publish. After Online Publish, because we are already in the state of starting the project, we just need to update our graphic interface. Here is the display effect of static pictures and dynamic pictures of our image control. And the third one is the checkbox. Select the combo box on the left. You can use checkboxes and combo boxes. to support single or multiple selections. You can check a selection of the tags through the checkbox. You can also choose the value of our tag through the combo box. I choose the title option. Click Save. Select Online Publish. Update graphic screen. So that's what our checkboxes and combo boxes look like. The checkbox control is divided into checkbox and combo box. It supports single or multiple selection. This is our checkbox control. You can double-click to bind our tag number. Customize our title. And you can also choose whether it is read-only. The checkbox in front. Check Yes can be copied to True. Uncheck to copy the tag value as forced. Generally used for more on-off quantities. This control is a combo box control. Double-click the control to bind the tag. Customize the title to add our options. You can make a single selection of the tag number. Assign from 0. For each additional option, the value offset is 1. Click Save. Select Online Publish. Update our finished drawing page. Here is the display effect. Next is the menu control. Select the menu control on the left, and drag it to the graphic. Select the size. The menu can be seen as a multifunctional button, which can achieve multi-configuration and dynamic functions. First, we select the default function. Right-click the blank area and select Add. At the same time, you can right-click the node to add the subnode again. Selecting a node can modify its name, perform dynamic actions, or add nodes. Add actions, you can choose to open panel, and so on. After selection, you can browse our entire graphic. At the same time, you can also choose to flip to the previous page and the next page to run a certain program, log in, log out, or exit the system. You can customize the pop-up position of the submenu, such as below, left, right. You can also set the transparency. After saving, select Online Publish. Here is the effect display of our menu control. Read Data Table Control. Select our Read Data Table control on the left. Double-click the control. Select the tag number. The Read Data Table control and view some real-time information of the specified position number during the monitoring run. Double-click the control and pop up its properties page. You can configure its list of tags. Click Add Tag, and you can select multiple. Click OK. After adding the points, click Apply. Click OK. Save the graphic and select Online Publish. Update our graphic page. The Read Data Table is as follows. On the left is the tag number name. Displays our current real-time value and some descriptions of the status. You can also drag to adjust the size of the graphic space.